Yo, this is Triple 7 FX Batlenzama coming at you with another video. I dropped the video yesterday on NASDAQ analysis. It went our way beautifully, as you guys can fucking see. Look at this big bearish move. God damn, that is, I don't even know how many pips. Sorry about that. I don't even know how many pips this shit is. Let's test that out. Hope you guys are doing good on this morning. Hope you guys caught a couple of pips. That's almost 800. Yo, that was a very great move from Nasdaq. Unfortunately, I did not enter. Ask me why. I can gladly tell you. Okay, so the bias was that we were gonna sell Nasdaq off of this 4 hour OP right here. This 4 hour OP right here within the hourly order block. So macro into macro zone trading. There's a video on my channel more on that if you don't understand. But you just find a smaller time frame inside a bigger time frame OP. Right, so yes, so that's basically it. This is what happened. Price came up here. I think we left the video when it was around here. Yeah. And we were looking for price to actually come back up to give us this tap off of this level again and drop. We're gonna get the best possible entries because of that and the best possible risk reward. Sorry for my voice. I'm a bit sick, guys. So that's what you're gonna get. I'm pretty sure the trendline traders were like happy because this basically went out how they wanted. Break, retest, drop. But yeah, so that's basically what happened with Nasdaq. It did fall hard. I watched it. I didn't even enter. Stu- Not that I was stupid, but I was like watching it, and I had a couple honest I had a couple opportunities to actually enter. First opportunity to enter was around, okay, price came up, it dropped hard, price came back up. Over here I could have entered but I didn't. Price came up, dropped hard off plus three, gave us a rejection. I could have entered but I didn't. Price dropped hard up until this order block. I entered a sell around here, it went down, I closed. That was just for FTMO so that let me see if it'll let me log into my FTMO. Wait, I'll do that later. So yeah, that was for FTMO just to open and close the trade to like make this count as one trading day. I did not make any profit though. I'm still on that. Uh, oh fuck, I'm still on that I think I made a $40 profit and a $12 loss the day before. So I'm around 30 something, 29%, maybe 29 like dollars up, which is not that much of the account, but I've been risking way less. I am looking to increase my risk now because I'm like more confident in the market. I feel like I understand exactly what Nasdaq is trying to do. And so before I was just testing it out, seeing how it was playing around, seeing like how different lots do actually pay different with Nasdaq, and I've established it. I like using 0.05s. Eventually, I start using 0.10s, but that's like further down the challenge. Give it a week or two. So yeah, what's the goal now on Nasdaq? For Nasdaq, let's just go up to the weekly and look at the fact that Nasdaq is plummeting to the downside. It's going below 12,000 now. And that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Looking at the fact that we started the year off on 16K. So we've almost lost. Sorry, we almost lost like what 4 or 5 thousand pips. That's crazy. So yeah, so that's basically Nasdaq. It's been selling, bro. It's being bearish, bro. For now, I'm not looking for any possible buys. We are looking for a retracement like this one, possibly, because now, like, we can't have such a strong bearish move, right? We can't have That's my song. You can't have such a strong bearish move without even a retracement. We're not saying a reversal, but without even a retracement. Look at this retracement. That's basically what we want. It's basically what we are predicting. No, I don't predict. It's basically what we're seeing from the markets. We all react exactly how the market wants us to react. So yeah, we might not even do that. So fuck it. No, I mean like guys, like you see the market, you can like say I want to buy a market, and if it gives you signals and tells you that you wants to sell, you can't really say much about it but react in that way, because if you do go against the market you will burn. So it's like you're never really right or wrong, you just like at its mercy. So yeah, Nasdaq. So with Nasdaq, I'm still looking for I'm sick as a dog. What was it? What? A horse? Sick as a what? Cow? Yeah. I'm sick as whatever, that phrase is. I am really sick. So yeah, Nasdaq tapped this for our OB, dropped to the downside. Looking at it, we are looking for price. Let's see if it breaks these lows and it closes. Oh my god, why am I tired? I just woke up. If it breaks these lows, which is just already did, and this fall candle will close in about 11. So if this fall candle closed below this zone right here, actually this wick, not even the zone. If the fall candle closed below the zone, then we are looking for sell entries, right? But honestly speaking, I saw something from US 30. It's a strategy I've been trying to use Nasdaq on. It's not been working on Nasdaq. It's really not been working on Nasdaq. But this is basically it. Like I like how Nasdaq and U30 like to play on the highs, not just the highs, which is this is the high, the flipping wicks. It likes to play on the wicks that have not been filled. Came up, filled this wick, dropped hard right after that. That's what I'm trying to see from like US 30. What exactly is the like what's happening? Because you see, look at this again. Kept back, tapped the wick, not even like the high, the wick dropped hard. Let's have another example. Let's have another example. One more example. Sorry, guys, I'm actually very sick. Tapped it, went hard. So that's what I'm trying to see from Nasdaq. I don't really trade US 30 that much. I have my own reasons. I will get into trading it more and more once I figure out a strategy for it. It's just I don't have one right now. So yeah, that's basically Nasdaq. I'm not really going to tell you what we are looking to do because we're undecisive right now. We might look for a buy deep into this wick right here, and maybe a push to the upside, maybe a retracement 50% of this, or like let's find a Audi order block because we're still looking at sell price. It's still bearish as fuck. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna look to sell price at one of these order blocks. At one of these order blocks. At one of them. Right. See, number one, number two. Yes, search key. That's basically what we're looking at. And yeah, that's basically one of these order blocks. You're asking me why I don't count this one order block, this one, because price did actually come up to tap that order block. Once an OB has been like mitigated, I don't really like to look at it anymore for a specific reason that now it's lost its power. A lot of people be like, yo, bro, the more the taps on the support resistance, the more the taps on the order blocks, it makes it stronger. Cap, okay, cap. Let's move on. So okay, cool. That's basically what I'm looking at. Like I'm looking for a buy. No, no, no. I'm looking for sell still. Right. Bearish pressure. Still looking for sells. I will get my sells because now I can trade the retracement, guys, the buy. But that's the reason why I didn't enter Nasdaq on the sells, even though I kept seeing that selling, is because I didn't get my setup, my desired setup. And you're like, yo, you could have just entered anywhere. Price was falling. You could have made profit. Yes, that could have happened. I could have just entered anywhere within Nasdaq, and I would have made profit. But that would be fucked up for my psychology, right? Because if a trade, if you execute a trade without 100% like confidence, and it goes your way, it'll fuck up your psychology because you'll do it next time, right? You'll do it next time. You're like, next time I made a profit. Last time I made a profit, Let me just risk it. No, guys, that's not what the market is about. You have to come at this strategically. So that's why I will not enter. I watched a video of Lascivious Steves that he dropped yesterday about the same shit. He was looking for buyers at Nasdaq at this point. Yeah, sorry guys. He was looking for buyers at Nasdaq at this point, but he saw the higher time frame pressure was bearish, so he didn't even enter at all. Even though price did go the direction we did want it to go, sells. So I didn't enter because my psychology would have been fucked up if I did, and that would have fucked me up for the long term. And I'm not looking to fuck up my psychology. I am truly working on my psychology right now as a trader, and I feel like everyone should if you're like if you're like profitable but not that profitable, or if you're not profitable but you have experience like chart work, like when you're really good at the chart. I've been there, bro. I've been like fire at the chart work. I can tell you when Nasdaq will turn, and but still I'm not entering the positions because of my psychology. So now I'm like, you know what? I've got this shit on lock, the chart work, the analysis. Let me work on my psychology. So that's what I'm working on right now. I will only enter I will only enter once I've reached the desired setup. And if it goes against me and I follow my trading rules, that will not fuck up my psychology at all. I just learn. But if it goes against me and I did follow my trading rules, I'm fucked. So let's just go over what we learned from yesterday. Okay, so basically what we learned from yesterday is Nasdaq will seek the highs before going down. What do I mean? This is a high liquidity. 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 This is the high liquidity. Anything above here, that's all the stop losses, the sell, the buy stops and all of that shit. Because now they're looking, now the overall trader is like, yo, if NASDAQ breaks this, that means we're going up. So let's break and retest that shit and go up. And then there's a lot of skeptical people that are like, you know what? I'm gonna place my buy stops here. If it breaks this area, I'm in for the buy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people have sold already on this level right here, and all their stops are above these highs. You see how much liquidity there is? Why wouldn't they flip and grab that shit? And they did. They grabbed the fuck out of that shit. It came up, tapped, flipping broke all these highs, and then started plummeting. So I like to look at Nasdaq like when there's like when I reach another scenario where it's like this, I'll know exactly what to do. I'll wait for the break of the highs, the slight reversal off of a certain intraday order block, which will be an hourly order block, but it's a 4 hour order block inside. It's a 4 hour order block, a macro time frame OP. Now this is the micro time frame OP, the hourly. So it's the micro into micro. Yeah, it's micro into macro zone trading. So it came up, tapped the micro OB, which was at what do they call this? A quarter point. Yeah, 12.55. Yeah. 12.5, 12.555, which is a quarter zone, which is whatever. RB, if you know who RB is, psych level, yes. Tap that level, drop hard. So what do we learn? My strategy is based off of hourly. What the fuck? Like, no. Hold on. So yeah, as I did say, my strategy is based off of like hourly and 15-minute OBs. But for the bigger moves that gonna be looking to catch, I'm not gonna look at 4 hour and hourly order blocks in that sequence. So basically that's what I've learned from Nasdaq, because this basically tapped the hourly order block that was inside the 4 hourly order block and dropped hard. That's the type of move I want to catch. So I'm just going to look for these type of entries. But this is going to be more of my swing setup, because this was a swing trade. This was a nice trade. Could have held the trade nice, but it wasn't an intraday trade. If I held the trade, if I was inside the trade, I would have gone out early. But I will create a swing strategy that will allow me to stay long in the position and get better entries. So that's basically what I've learned from yesterday, from last night. GJ disappointment. GJ like reversed, started dropping, and started doing its own fucking thing, bro. But it looks like it actually like, this is what I'm looking for Nasdaq to do off of one of these order blocks. So yeah, GJ now I'm not really gonna look for anything. I am gonna still look for sells if I do get a desired setup. I'm just, let me see, ID 50. Yeah, maybe we're gonna look for an ID 50 setup and look for it to break these highs and then tap the ID 50, which will be at like 160, and then we're gonna look for a sell. Nasdaq, it's way like below the EMA, so it might actually give us ID 50 setup, which is the setup I would like to take. I would really love to take an ID 50 setup and write it down again. So basically, that's Nasdaq for me today, guys. Signing out. This is Triple Seven with another video. It's the 19th of May, 2022. It's my fourth day on FTMO. This is my journey. I'm just basically going to be posting videos each and every day of my journey.